Hello everyone, this is Kalle from the Yacht Machine Factory. I was just trying out my new tire balancing machine and thought that probably now it's a good time to discuss if I should start my own garage series from the Yacht Machine Factory. So the idea in the Yacht Machine Factory is that we try to build everything on our own as far as possible with a really small budget, or let's say a reasonable budget, but the end result should be reliable, working, and then in many ways unique. So and especially odd. So we are trying to avoid like the builds where you can find recipes on the internet and everything just works out by buying some uh, parts with some brands and then bolting those on. So we are more about weld on things than bolt on. And the reason for starting the series now is, first of all, a lot of requests have come from people to show what I'm doing here. A lot of questions have come why I do the things that I do, and then I've been driving this Ford Scorpio for 12 years now, over 100,000 kilometers and so on, with the M50 BMW engine. And a couple of years ago, we had a small crash with it. We collided with a race car, and nothing really broke. It's been running well and used ever since. But it's been bothering, the crash has been bothering me quite much because the body got hit, and the fenders are a bit smashed and so on. And I've been driving the car for so long that I would really like to rebuild the car. I've done a lot of things back in the day when I was studying, so I have built everything as cheap as possible. And for me, it really doesn't make sense to make some part of the car good and then everything else is very cheap. So I've been just enjoying the car. But now I think it's the time to really rebuild the car. And before rushing into that, I think it would be nice to build another hobby drifter, a street legal one, which I could use meanwhile I rebuilt the Scorpio. So I've bought a couple of cars, a few engines, a few gearboxes, final drives, drive shafts, and whatnot. So I've been measuring things around, been thinking about what would be a nice, power source for next drifter. And it now turns out that I think I have a good idea what could be the next concept. And I think now it would be the time to also start this garage series. I did a couple of test episodes 2 years ago, but the year turned out to be crazy in many ways, so I really didn't have time to publish them. But I think now we have a nice project starting. We haven't done that much yet, so we can basically still document everything that we do, and you would then get to be part of the project and the excitement, because at least I'm really stoked about the project. The concept seems nice, at least for me, and it might even turn out better looking than the Scorpio has ever been. So let me know in the comments or by clicking the like buttons or subscribing or whatnot to if you want to see this kind of a garage series, if you want to see let's say different things built that you otherwise see. So I don't have fancy tools or a fancy workshop. It's my small garage, but definitely have some crazy ideas, and I tend to always finalize them as well. So let me know if this is something that you fancy, and I think we'll see in the next video. So, moro.